Game on. MicroSDXC card for Nintendo Switch. 128GB capacity, 100 megabytes per second read speed, 90 megabytes per second write speed. Class 10 U3V30A2. Water, shock, temperature and magnet proof. Have never tried to see if the is true, at least the temperature one just tested to see the capacity was correct. Compatible with Nintendo Switch, Switch Lite, Switch OLED in most smartphones, tablets, drones, cameras, and computers. I've only tested it on a smartphone. Camera and drone never on the Switch, but it should work if it works perfectly on smartphone. The capacity is lower when filming on 4000, fills up quickly, not sure why, maybe it's the camera settings I have. Would I recommend it? Sure, why not? It's cheap. Well, when I got it, it might go up later on or not, but it's pretty good value for what you're paying. If you're using it for filming, I wouldn't trust it since it's cheaper than most microSDXC. It will get the job done, but better safe than sorry. But move the files to something more reliable when you're finished filming.